Hey guys, I want to show you a new feature of the JB4 Toyota Tundra V2 firmware we're working on. We've set it up now so that the map can be switched with your driving mode, which is pretty slick. You'll see we're on map 1 now, sport mode map 3. I've got eco mode set for map 0. The nice thing is it's easy to program on the fly in the app. So for example, I can go in here, change this to map 5, and now my sport mode will be map 5. So when I go back to normal, map 1, sport, map 5. Then of course I like to leave eco on map 0, so if I lend the car out to a friend or have my wife driving it or whatever, she doesn't have all the power available. You'll also notice that we've set up a gauge for E85. It's right there in the middle, and that's connected to our new fuel and ethanol sensor that will have more information coming on soon.